Wait. Are you a content creator who want to start editing videos from your mobile but do not have access to a computer or a laptop? I will guide you how to edit your videos professionally on your mobile without wasting any time. Let's start the video. First of all, you should download these two apps. First, X Recorder, second KineMaster. If Recorder is already built in your phone, then you do not need to download these X Recorder. First, open the X Recorder and go to settings. Then click on audio and click on mic. Then click on noise reduction. Then click on video setting. Resolution will be 1080, quality auto and 30 fps. Now click on plus option and record the video. Click on start now button. Screen recording start. Now I will move toward my mobile recorder. Now you should note these two websites. First is for background and other is for PNGs. There are thousands of background in freepik.com. Now I download this background. Now move toward the other website that's called cleanpng.com. There are thousands of PNGs. I should download mobile PNG. You should download your frame according to your mobile. Now click on free download. Now it takes some seconds. After this, close the window and click on KineMaster. Now click on new project. There are different ratios for different videos. Now I can choose 16:9, which is for YouTube videos. Now click on create. After record the video, you should select your background. Increase the timing of the video. Now you should click on pan and zoom option and zoom the background and click on is equal. Now click on layer, media, then import your recorded video. Now split the extra part and delete. Now increase the size of the video and adjust. Now click on layer, media, then import the mobile PNG. Now increase the timing of the frame. And adjust the frame according to your video. After adjusting the frame, click on layer, then on text. Write any kind of text you want. Then increase the size of the text and click on font. Then go to store for more fonts. There are hundreds of fonts. You should choose anyone and download it and use it. Now click on display, then choose luckiest guy. Download this font. Now click on display and choose this font and click on write. Now change the color of the text. Scroll down and click on shadow and enable the shadow and enable the outline. For animation, click on text and click in animation and choose any kind of animation. I click on converge option and decrease the timing below 0.4. For recording the video, click on record and only this time. Now click on start. Hello, mic testing, hello. Now you should record whatever you want. For adding background audio, click on audio and select your folder and go to download and select your audio. Now remove the extra part of the audio and also delete the extra part of frame, video and background. For adding logo, click on layer, media, then choose your photo or click on crop and turn on mask, then click on shape and circle. Then increase the feather. Now adjust it at the corner of the background. Now scroll down and select the background audio. Now click on mix, then decrease the volume of the background. This setting is better than other one. After this, export the video. Before exporting, click on back and go to settings. Now click on advanced setting and enable save video and unlimited video layer. Now click on back. Again open the video and export your video at highest quality, 4K or 60 FPS. After exporting, if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel for more videos. Take care.